So welcome back in my lesson. Today we are going to deal with this hole here. So what we are going to do, we are going to first cover this place here like this. So after covering there, then we shall try to drill into the hole here. So now these are the threads of 10 millimeters, 1.25 here is what we are going to tap here to cut the insert or the iridium coil here. So we are going to use this cross here. Then let me first bring the teeth handle. So now you should cut the threads in a straight line and make sure that you leave a stopper for the insert not to pass through. So after cutting the threads, then we shall try to use this is a glue here. So let's use this glue here. So we are going to use this pipe as the iridium coil. So we have to first remove this lining that's inside here. Then let's put with the help of this glue here. So we have also to glue inside. So like that. Then we tie. So we tie inside the insert. So remember the insert is of 10 millimeters and we have dyed on with 10 times 125. So we have to remove these remaining pieces. So we are going to drill on here using this is 10 millimeters, 10.5 millimeter drilling bit to put on a stick here. Just put on a stick like that. Then we are going to drill inside here with 6.5 or 675 millimeter drilling bit here. So we are going to use this 6.5 drilling bit. So now we are finished to tie inside our insert. So we are going to tap in the threads of 8 millimeters. So this is 8 millimeters, 125. So we are going to thread inside. So these are the taps here. So So you have to be in a straight line here. So I'm going to use this to balance the energy. Another thing, you have to make sure that you're in a straight line. So you have to put these taps here so that you can measure whether you're in a straight line or the taps are going bent. So like this. So if possible, you can also get some used oil this oil here. Some use the oil like this, and I recommend you to use diesel oil. I recommend you to use diesel oil. I used the one already, so just to smooth the taps not to get too sticky. So now you have to cut the threads until the taps, you feel that the taps they have passed through the inserts. So I hope this the threads now they are okay and fine. So let me try to show you the threads, and we test. Oh. So these are the bolts here. Okay, let's get here some of the bolts here. So if you try to check to see here, so now it ties very well and the threads they are okay. So let me try to show you on the camera the threads here. So if you try to show you on the camera here, so if you try to check inside here, you can check the threads here. So inside here, if you try to check, let me try to change the camera. I don't know whether you can see, but now this is okay. Now you see that the threads here. So if you try to check here, the threads are okay and all fine. So thank you for watching. Please subscribe, share. Please subscribe, share, and like.